ESG compliance may no longer be optional, as upcoming regulations and standards such as CSRD will make ESG reporting a requirement for select businesses in the UK and EU. With a broad scope covering various environmental, governance and social issues, tackling ESG can feel like an impossible task. So, where should you start? One key element is creating a robust framework for ESG compliance, which can easily be supported if you use ISO standards as a blueprint. Join our workshop on the 26th of March to discover how you can leverage ISO standards to streamline your ESG compliance. During the workshop we will cover: what are the 3 pillars of ESG? How can ISO guidance standards support ESG compliance? High-level structure clauses and their links to ESG areas. How can certifiable ISO standards support ESG compliance? Learn what ISO standards assist with each pillar of ESG. And get a head start on your ESG journey by opting into one of 3 interactive sessions covering how to complete a materiality assessment supported by ISO 26000, the social accountability standard. How to use balance scorecards to measure ESG strategy inputs, outputs and outcomes. And get an introduction to mandatory ESG reporting requirements. Don't miss this opportunity to strengthen your ESG strategy. Register your free place today. We look forward to seeing you there.